Effects are wonderful tools if you use them correctly. They can help bring out certain instruments, particularly vocals. But if you overuse effects, you'll get the opposite of what you want. Your sound will be muddy and vague. The trick is to figure out what needs effects and what doesn't. Experiment with reverb, delay, and chorus. Chorus on bass guitar rounds out the sound of the bass and gives it more edge. Delay on guitars makes the sound spacey and exciting. You'll probably want to use some reverb on the vocals. Be careful though, and use it sparingly elsewhere. Too much reverb can make everything sound crazy. This is particularly true when you have different kinds of reverb on different instruments. I like to use just enough reverb on the vocal so that they don't sound naked. That way the vocals still sound clear in the mix. If you're feeling experimental, try playing the vocal through a guitar amp plugin. Misusing effects, if you do it right, can have great results. Before you go crazy with effects, remember that bringing a part forward in a mix is often a better way of highlighting it than drenching it in effects. The whole point of effects is to strengthen your sound, not bury it.